like, well, it's right past 8 a.m. and I'm having breakfast. I had cereals and coffee. And yeah, I'm just transferred some videos from yesterday from my phone to the computer. I'm so happy that it's actually working because before it didn't work. I had to go through Facebook or my Messenger or something like that to transfer the videos in the beginning, and it was such a hard, like, a lot of, it was not fun because it didn't want to transfer from my phone directly to my computer. But the past week it actually been doing that, so that's nice. So probably I will be able to do more videos now, or it will go better when doing the videos, editing the videos. But yeah, I'm gonna eat my breakfast now, and then I'm going to put on a little bit of makeup, and then, so yeah, I'm gonna do that now. See you soon. And here I have plans to go grocery shopping. And I need to grocery shop a lot. I think I'll wait a little bit, hope it passes. It was sunny just a moment ago. What should we do, Rabia? What should we do about this weather? Hey, so I actually been to the grocery store. A friend helped me out to go out in because she has a car. So she helped me, and now I'm actually preparing some fruit. Veggie, beef style kind of thingy with cooked vegetables. I'm going to have rice to it too. Yeah, I think it will be good. I'm going to put in some mushroom and a bit of spices in this too. This mix. See how it turns out. These veggie strips are one of those I bought on the Megavision Saturday, so it's going to be nice to see if they are any good. It smells really good. So I don't doubt if it's good. And we got a Jackie too. He's not pleased that I moved his watching box. But since Theo is not here, I don't have to have something blocking the garbage door. That's good. Oh yeah, I will cook and I'll get back to you later. Yeah. So there's the final result of the dinner. Water, dinner. I should put in some corn too, but just right before it's done because I don't really like. I want them to be